What's up, guys? I want to thank every single one of you that has been liking the footage that I've been putting out so far on the channel. Our club has been doing lots of work and coming up with some pretty cool ideas. This video is for the ladies. Ladies in the car community, this is for you. Yes, the car guys want to know where you are. No, we don't want to get in your pants. We want to see the cars that you guys have built because it is pretty cool. Now, in the narrative, I do talk about girls working on cars and driving cars, it being sexy, because it is. But I want you guys to sit and enjoy this video because we made it for you. Please enjoy.
I have a question that almost all the guys in the car community want to know. Where are the car girls? We see them on YouTube videos like Supercar Blondie.
We're doing a bright green car and mirror detailing. I'm like, I'm not sure, is it gonna look good? But I actually think it turned out really, really well.
Or Haley Deegan.
I'm actually a NASCAR racer.
Yeah. Sure. Trust me, look. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey! No place to go, no place to hide. Nothing for me.
But where are they? Most women who are not into cars thinks car girls are the models that flaunt their bodies on the hood of a fancy car to take a picture. But that's not the case. Yes, there are car models. But then you get women like Constance Nunez, who not only model, but she's also a mechanic, as well as specializing in Mustangs.
It moves.
Recognized the love between her and her father, as the closeness she shared with him never faltered even after she got famous. On social media, Constance has shared how her father never showed her any preferential treatment despite their closeness. At some point, while she was helping him out, she even got fired. This attitude has pushed her to be truly determined to master engines. At the beginning of her career, Constance would often visit local shops to improve her craft. Her knowledge of automobiles increased by doing personal projects and working on a vast array of vehicles, her famous Ford Mustang being one of them. Nunez bought her car at 16, a 1964 Ford Mustang. After purchasing the car, she insisted everybody should refer to the vehicle as a 1964 and a half Ford Mustang. The car has been restored to its former glory, with Constance ensuring all its modifications consisted of original 1964 parts.
People tend to ignore the girls who actually built their car.
Sitting on a shelf somewhere in the back of the shop, and now it gets the chance to be the heart and soul of this sleeper.
And if not built, at least they can drive it.
Yes, man, I know about the flex. Keep it up, man, I flow above the rest. Watch how I turn better to the best. I just start praying more,
Guys always want to get the girl's number, or try to do what every woman on this planet thinks a guy wants. But me? I want to hear the story behind your passion for cars and engines. I want to see the modifications you did to your own car. Our community welcomes women in the automotive world. Yes, it is sexy, but at the same time, it is well respected, and we always welcome it. So if you are a female that loves cars, or loves to go fast,
I can't sit up, I can't sit down.
Back to the DMV. Get me back to the DMV.
Thanks, I think I learned a lot.
How'd you do?
I passed.
but you're too afraid to get involved because of the common thirsty pigs.
You looking at nutsack? See you later, punk. You too, punk.
Don't be. Car guys like me and my crew welcome you.
Hey, what's up? I'm Savannah Little. I'm the owner and driver of the number 916 in Juku Racing LS350Z, and I also do some endurance racing and spec Miata racing on the side, and I'm a car girl.
Well, I got into cars through my modeling career, actually. I used to work as an umbrella girl for Nissan and their Pirelli World Challenge team, and as a Monster Energy girl at a lot of motorsports events. One day they were dumb enough to put me into the car with one of the drivers, and it was a 370Z race car. I was like, I need to have one of these. So I went out and bought a 350 because that's what I could afford at the time, and ended up with the car you see today. It has an LS3 crate motor from GM. It's got a bigger cam, has LS7 head designs, and then valve train upgrades as well. We run it on Ignite 114 ethanol. It's a 500 horsepower car all day. There's a lack of showing for women in this industry. I think it's because a lot of women are put off by it. It's something that men do. It's like football. This is a man's sport. This is something men do. I'm a girl. How could I compete? I mean, I was really nervous at first. When I first started out, I had no idea. I was looking at YouTube videos how to do simple things like change belts and remove my wheels at first. But everybody starts somewhere. Whether you're a man or a woman, you learn somewhere.
Savannah is a legit car enthusiast, but she also raises another issue that I think may drive women from the car community. In addition to driving a badass time attack car and being fast in competitive events like Spec Miata, Savannah is a car model, and she's good at it.
I don't think that there has to be a double standard for women to get into motorsports, meaning that they also have to be models and they have to pose in front of their cars. I actually started out modeling before I even had a driver's license. So it was kind of the reverse for me, and modeling is actually what got me into racing, where I was an umbrella girl and was like, this isn't good enough for me. I don't want to be a pretty face. I want to race cars. There are plenty of females out there that are owning the female driver side of things without the modeling aspect.
There you have it. Ladies, we wanted to make this video to pay our respects to you because believe it or not, it's not just about the modeling. We do like the car girls. It is very cool. Matter of fact, in our club, AutoKingz, we have female members and they are awesome. We have one that drives a RT Challenger. We have another one that does overland, cross-country, hiking, camping, off-roading. She loves doing it. We love the females in the car community and we want to let you know that we welcome you. So anytime we hold an event or we do anything, just know you're welcome. Even though it says Kings, you are welcome. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I'm going to keep pumping them out. Every time you guys leave a comment on a video that you want to see, I'll see what I can do to make it happen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, share and tell your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
They called the car the Iron Maven, and it was unveiled at the SEMA trade show in 2022. At the end of her long days, Bogie says teaching women to look for more underneath the hood completes the mission she wished for as a teen.
There's not a lot of places for women to go where they can learn these skills. But even for the professional women, often we feel like all eyes are on us, waiting for us to make a mistake. And the reality is we learn through mistakes. Like, that's how we improve. That's how we grow.
Yeah. Can you show me what it's like to walk by? Can you let me look down, keep it such your eyes? I gotta know the feeling, gotta know why. I just wanna know what it's like to fly.
Just give me